Basic English conversation practice for kids.
Hello, I'm your friend Kokaka. I'll help you practice English conversation. Please follow my directions. Thank you. What number is it? Words. After you listen to each word, say the word.
Number. Seven. Ten. Six.
Conversation. What number is it? It's 3. What number is this? This is 7. What number is it? It's 10. Is this 2? Yes, it is. Is it 9? No, it isn't. It's 6. Practice. Listen to each sentence and repeat. Your conversation will get better. What number is it? It's 3. What number is this? This is 7. What number is it? It's 10. Is this 2? Yes, it is. Is it 9? No, it isn't. It's 6. Word quiz.
6. 7. 10.
'Conversation quiz. What does Anne say? What color is it? What number is it? It's 3.
What does Tom say?
What number is this? It's 7. Yes, it is. What does Anne say? Is this 2? What number is it? Yes, it is. Is he a teacher? Words. After you listen to each word, say the word.
Teacher. Doctor. Nurse.
Conversation. Is he a teacher? Yes, he is. Is she a teacher? Yes, she is. Is he a doctor? Yes, he is. Is she a nurse? No, she isn't. She is a doctor. Practice. Listen to each sentence and repeat. Your conversation will get better. Is he a teacher? Yes, he is. Is she a teacher? Yes, she is. Is he a doctor? Yes, he is. Is she a nurse? No, she isn't. She is a doctor. Word quiz.
Nurse. Teacher. Doctor.
Conversation quiz.
What does Tom say?
Is he a teacher? Is she a teacher? Yes, he is.
What does Anne say?
Is she a teacher? Yes, he is. Yes, she is.
What does Anne say?
Is she a nurse? Yes, she is. She is a doctor. No, she isn't. She is a doctor.